Hey Geek, so I'm out here living the laptop lifestyle. So I got my laptop right here in front of this beautiful pool in this stunning crisp morning at the resort. But the reality is this isn't real. It's all fake. So let me show you what I'm actually doing. So what I'm doing here is I was actually editing a video. I am doing some other work. And the reason why I'm outside is because, well, this is where I get good connection on my phone, so then I could tether to my laptop for internet. And the reason why I'm also out here early in the morning, not only is it because it is a beautiful morning, but the simple fact is that I'm currently here in Van Vieng, Laos. And so it's morning here, but it's like afternoon in the US. So I kind of work towards the US time. So that is the reality of what I'm doing here. And this is something that not all creators will show you. If you actually watch a lot of travel videos, you might see these laptop lifestyle creators and they're just working on the beach, working in front of a pool. And the reality is most people do not do that. What we're doing is we're trying to find wherever we can to work, which has good internet connection. And for most of the day, if you are a travel creator, you're going out there, getting content, trying to get things as interesting as possible, so then you could actually edit it later. And then you actually have to do the work to upload it. And hopefully people watch your videos. And that is the reality. You know, you can definitely, do what I do here and actually work in front of a pool in this beautiful place, but this isn't what I do most of the time. And even though I'm very grateful I'm able to do this, it takes a lot of work to actually do something like this. And at the end of the day, you do have to work. And so if you're thinking about doing something like this and you're thinking you'll be living the laptop lifestyle in front of the beach or pool, that's not reality. It's mostly fake. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments there below, and I'll see you on another episode.